You're about to discover a completely free AI tool for image generation and animation, and trust me, hardly anyone is talking about it. No gatekeeping, no pricey subscriptions, no annoying watermarks, just pure value. This tool is helping faceless YouTube creators get monetized fast. No camera needed, no advanced editing skills, just your voiceovers and eye-catching AI visuals. With it, you can create stunning AI images, animate them easily, and build content that actually gets views, and the best part, it's all 100% free. The tool is called Meta AI. You can use the web version or download the app directly from the Play Store. Either way, it's super simple to use. As long as you have a Google or Facebook account, you're good to go. Just type in what you want to create. For example, I'm going to type a prompt, which I'll leave in the video description, so feel free to copy it and try it out. When writing your prompt, be specific. Mention the hairstyle, the outfit, and whether you want a full-body image or just a portrait. These details help the AI understand exactly what you want. In this example, I'm also going to tell it to create a 3D image, and I want it to be Disney Pixar quality. Yes, that high-level Disney photo look. Then I just hit generate, and boom, it works like magic. No need to clutter your phone with multiple apps. This one tool handles it all beautifully. I know a few YouTube channels that have already gotten monetized just by using this amazing AI tool I'm showing you today. In under a minute, it generates high-quality images. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Now let's get to the exciting part, the animation. Once your images are ready, just click Animate Image. The tool will turn each one into a short 5-second animation. Super cool, right? You can then download the animated clips directly to your phone. Simple and fast. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to edit these videos, add animations, and make them look like you're speaking on camera, even if you're just using a voiceover. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I've got tons of free AI tools and tutorials coming up to help you grow your channel, all without spending a dime. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. I'm here to help.